If your game is crashing, freezing, or throwing weird errors, one of the first things you should do is verify and fix corrupted game files. This is one of the fastest and safest ways to repair a broken install without having to fully reinstall the game. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps in Steam, and I'll also show you what to do if verification does not solve the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you trouble, then right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This opens the settings for that specific game, and from here, you can access the tools Steam provides to repair it. Inside the Properties window, look at the left sidebar and click on Installed Files. This section contains the option we need. Now click the button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you do that, Steam will begin checking the game installation against its official files to see if anything is missing, damaged, or changed. Depending on the size of the game and how fast your drive is, this scan can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes. Smaller games usually finish quickly, while larger games may take longer, so be patient and let Steam complete the process. Do not close Steam while the scan is running. When the scan reaches 100%, Steam will give you a result message. If it says all files successfully validated, that means Steam did not find any corrupted files and your game files are healthy. In that case, the issue may be caused by something else, like a mod conflict, graphics driver problem, or a Windows setting. If Steam says that some files failed to validate and will be reacquired, that is actually a good sign. It means Steam detected damaged or missing files and has already lined up the correct versions to download. All you need to do now is wait for the reacquisition to finish. Once the download is complete, launch the game again and test it. If the game is still having problems after verification, there are a couple of cleanup steps you can try next. These are especially useful if files keep corrupting or if Steam is having trouble replacing them properly. The first thing to try is clearing the download cache. Sometimes corrupted temporary data can cause Steam to behave strangely or keep reintroducing bad data. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner, then open Settings. In the Settings menu, go to Downloads. Here you will find the option to clear download cache. Click it and confirm the action. Steam will restart after this, and you may need to sign back in, but this often helps clear out hidden problems. If that still does not fix it, the next step is to repair the Steam library folder. This is useful if the issue is related to folder permissions or drive structure. Go back into Steam settings, then open storage. Find the drive that contains the game, click the three dots next to it, and choose Repair Folder. Let Steam finish the repair process before trying the game again. These steps usually solve most corrupted file problems without needing a full reinstall. So to recap, first verify the integrity of the game files, then allow Steam to reacquire anything damaged, then clear the download cache if needed, and finally repair the library folder if the problem keeps coming back. If this video helped you fix your game, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know what game you are trying to repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.